Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to not sing like you speak. Of course, there are similarities and differences between singing and speaking. The main similarity is we need to sing as natural as we speak and to sound as natural. But the main difference is sustain and our breath support that makes this sustain. And so we have to sing like, ah, I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway on the back of my hand. Instead of, I walked across an empty land. Da, 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 da. This is the difference. And I will give you an exercise, and please don't underestimate this exercise because it only depends on how we use this exercise. This is an obvious exercise, the lip roll. It only depends on how we use it. If you want to sing like singing, if you want to sound like singing, not like speaking, you have to sing the entire song with lip roll without breaking, without so instead of without this. If you can sing the entire song with good lip roll, you will sing with enough sustain. And I can show you one more exercise. Just blow on a candle, at a candle, or on a candle. Okay, just blow, like not too much. Pretend that you have a candle and you don't want to stop. You don't want it to stop burning. You just want a little bit, a little movement of the flame. Then we can add some sound into this. And when we sing, we have the same feelings in our lungs and our stomach as when we blow. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Write your questions.